Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You YouTube. In this video, you'll learn how to make a beautiful rose from chocolate modeling paste. It's also known as candy clay. If you don't know how to make modeling paste, watch my video tutorial, which I'll link up at the end of this video. Start by rolling out the paste to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Using round cutters, I'm using 1 1/4 inch and 3/4 inch. Cut 5 to 7 small circles and 5 large circles. Make a cone-shaped base for the petals to attach to. Using your fingers, thin the edge of half of the small circles, fanning it out as you go. Wrap it around and arrange as you like. You can use a fondant tool to furl the edges like I did here. Continue adding petals, thinning and fanning each one as you go. Place the petals so they angle downward. The rose will look more realistic if you tuck them under the previous petal and furl the edges. If you have hot hands like I do, you may have to place the rose into the freezer for a few seconds to firm up a little as you're working. The outer petals were placed over the previous ones and not tucked in. I used the freezer trick again here. The petals were drooping. It only takes less than a minute. While the rose is in the freezer, I prepped the rest of the petals. Pop it into the freezer again for a minute, and when you're ready to decorate your cakes, you'll have a gorgeous rose to place on it. Mix in some fresh herbs for a natural look. Thanks for subscribing to Wedding Cakes For You YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.